everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Clickbait, a show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I am Avishka Thadani presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. So buckle up, get curious, and let's clickbait together the safer way. First up, a critical vulnerability in MOVEit file transfer software has resulted in one of the largest corporate data breaches in recent history. The zero-day flaw CVE 2023-34362, allowing the hacker Nameless to steal sensitive data from 25 major organizations, affecting millions of employees. Stolen information includes names, emails, phone numbers, job titles, and detailed organizational structures. Notable companies affected include Amazon, MetLife, Cardinal Health, and HSBC. Security firm Hudson Rock has verified the authenticity of leaked data. Companies are urged to apply security patches, conduct audits, and enhance cybersecurity measures. Amazon confirmed the breach but stated no sensitive personal data was exposed. As the full impact is still unfolding, many disclosures may follow in the coming days. Moving ahead, the Cybersecurity Summit presented by HDFC Bank and the Times of India is being held on November 14, 2024 in New Delhi, bringing together cybersecurity experts, policymakers, and industrial leaders. The event features dynamic discussion on evolving cyber threats, the role of banks in combating financial cybercrime, and the importance of user awareness. The summit opens with an address from HDFC Bank's Chief Credit Officer, Jimmy Tata, followed by panels featuring RBI, SBI, IndusInd Bank, and financial influencers. Sessions cover emerging cyber threats, money mule schemes, and the latest cybersecurity policy. Stand-up comic Atul Khatri and cybersecurity advocate Anu Menon will share light-hearted insights on common online mistakes. The event aims to offer practical tips to the public on how to protect themselves in an increasingly digital world, while exploring the latest trends in cybersecurity. Moving ahead, CISA has alerted organizations in two critical vulnerabilities in Microsoft Windows that could allow attackers to escalate privileges and compromise sensitive data. The first flaw, CVE 2024-49039, affects Windows Task Scheduler, enabling local privilege escalation through malicious code evacuation. Though no confirmed ransomware campaigns have exploited these vulnerabilities yet, CISA warns of potential future threats. Users and organizations are urged to apply mitigations provided by Microsoft or discontinue using affected systems if no patches are available. Monitoring systems and maintaining security updates are critical to mitigate risks. Now, Zoom has revealed several vulnerabilities across its application, including a critical flaw that could allow remote code execution. The most severe issue is a buffer overflow vulnerability with a high CVSS score of 8.5, affecting multiple Zoom products like Workplace app, Rooms client, and Video SDK. Zoom has urged users to update their application to version 6.2.0 and above to safeguard from the security risks. As Zoom continues to be a vital platform for remote communication, addressing these issues is critical to maintaining the integrity of virtual meeting and user data. Regular updates and prompt patching are essential to protect against potential exploits. A seemingly harmless Google search, "Are Bengal cats legal in Australia?" has been exploited by cyber criminals using SEO poisoning. Hackers have manipulated search engine optimization to place malicious links at the top of Google research for this phrase, tricking users into clicking them. These links redirect users to websites containing the Goat Loader malware, which can steal personal information or lock users out of their system. The attack primarily targets Australian users, but cybersecurity firm Sophos warns others to remain vigilant. Sophos advises affected users to change passwords, run antivirus scans, and enable two-factor authentication to mitigate the risk. This attack highlights the growing threat of SEO poisoning, where hackers can use legitimate-looking search results to compromise online security, underscoring the importance of cautious browsing and cyber hygiene. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you have enjoyed this video. See you next time.